Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix ITV Hub not working on Smart TV, app cache and DNS fixes. Fix 1. Clear the app cache and data. You just have to navigate to TV setting menu and go to apps or application. Then find and select ITV or ITVX and select clear cache and clear data and relaunch the app and log back in. Fix 2. Update the app and TV firmware. App update. Access your Smart TV's App Store or Google Play Store or Samsung Smart Hub. You have to search for ITV app and select ITV app from the search result. Choose the update option if it is available. TV software update. Navigate to setting on your TV and select support from the menu. Choose software update and click on update now to install the latest version firmware. Fix 3. Uninstall and reinstall the application. You just have to access the TV's apps or setting menu, locate the ITV or ITVX app, then select the app and choose uninstall or delete option. Restart the TV and return to TV's app store. Download the ITV and ITVX app again and sign in to the app. Fix 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure your smart TV is connected to your Wi-Fi router. Restart your home router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Check that your download speed is at least 5 Mbps for standard playback. Fix 5. Reboot your router. Unplug your internet router from the wall for 30 seconds and wait it back in. And you just have to wait for the internet lights to turn green. Ensure any VPNs on your networks are turned off. Thanks for watching.